Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how we make how to make some famous Karachi Bun Kebabs. So if you want to know how to make these Shami kebabs, all you have to do is look on our profile and we have a previous video describing how we made these. We're just going to show you how to do this last step. So the first thing in a classic bun kebab recipe that you need is green mint chutney. So I'm going to show you how to make that. We take a little bit of water and we add our these are washed chopped coriander. Then we add some fresh mint. And I add about 4 chopped chilies, but you can add more or less depending on how spicy you like your mint chutney. Then we add a teaspoon of salt is in here as well. So we add that in. And you add a cup of yogurt inside. And we're using our Ninja blender today, but you can use a handheld blender, you can use a regular blender, whatever you have on hand. So I'm going to close it up. And then, okay, so now I have blended my mint chutney. And I'm going to pour it out here. At this point, you can taste your chutney to see if it needs any more salt. You can add more salt to it. And now, how do I assemble my Karachi Bun Kebabs? So the first thing to a delicious bun kebab is to have some soft burger style buns. So I'm going to take these buns and I'm going to fry them with a tablespoon of butter. If you don't want to use butter, you can use oil. So first we're going to roast the insides of these buns. So now I've added some butter onto my pan and I'm going to roast the inside of these buns with some butter. Okay? Now you can see that I've browned and roasted the inside of my burger buns. Then all you do is you place your Shami kebab to make your bun kebab. And I like to put very simple ingredients, my mint chutney on top and some fresh onions. And then you assemble them and then they go back on the stove, and this time you put a little bit of butter and you're going to roast just the outside of the bun. So you brown one side and you slowly will flip it and do the other side. As you can see, it's being roasted. And this will give you a delicious bun kebab. It's a little bit crispy on the outside. As you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, please subscribe to our channel and we look forward to cooking for you. Thank you.